Every cyclist knows. The right gear changes everything. From clear vision on sun-glared roads to protection from the elements, the perfect pair of sports sunglasses keeps you focused, fast, and unstoppable. Meet the Lamicall Polarized Sports Sunglasses. With UV 400 TX HD lenses blocking 99.9% of harmful rays, they turn blinding sunlight into vivid clarity. Their adjustable nose pads and silicone temples give you a tailor-made fit. All in an ultra-light, anti-fog, 0.85-ounce frame that keeps your vision crisp and your face cool. Perfect for cycling, running, or any outdoor sport. Need versatility? The 3-pack Polarized Sports Sunglasses gives you that and more. With advanced UV 400 protection lenses that remove glare and boost contrast, you get crystal clear vision whether you're driving, fishing, or sprinting the last hill. For riders pushing limits, the X-Tiger cycling glasses deliver unmatched adaptability. 5 interchangeable lenses adjust instantly to changing weather. Their shatterproof TR90 material and soft rubber nose pad ensure comfort during your longest rides. From dawn to dusk, these glasses evolve with you. And one instantures these. Then there's the Rock Bras sunglasses, where durability meets design. 4 UV-protected lenses adapt to day or night, while airflow vents prevent fogging. Lightweight, stylish, and aerodynamic, these frames redefine performance eyewear. Each model brings advanced protection, feather-light comfort, and flawless visibility. Engineered for riders who never stop. Ready to upgrade your ride? Click the link below and get yours now from the official site. Gear up. Go further. See sharper. Click the link below to get yours today.